So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to clear the search history here on the Expedia mobile application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Expedia. Now, for example, if I were to go to the home tab here, press on stays right here, you can see a recent search that I've actually been selecting. If I were to go ahead and go into right here, I'll just do New York, for example, right here. I'll then go ahead and press on search. The dates, I'll just select some random dates in March. How about these dates right here? I'll press on done, then press on search. So this is my search right here. If I were to go ahead and actually exit out of this right here, as you can tell, if I were to go back to stays right here, my recent searches will appear right here. So if you want to go ahead and close that or close your search history or clear it, I guess, simply go back to the main menu, go to the bottom right, press on account, then go to where it says, it'll say settings right here, press on settings, then scroll down to the bottom where it says clear search or clear recent searches, press on that right here, press on clear. Now if I were to go back right here and press on stays, as you can tell, my recent searches right here actually do present itself, but all your data will actually go away. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to clear search history here on Expedia. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.